Gentleman yields. Gentleman from Ohio reserves. Gentleman from New York is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, I now yield 1 minute to the gentlelady from the great Empire State of New York, Ms. Clarke.
Gentlewoman from New York is recognized for 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today as a proud New Yorker, deeply troubled by the epidemic of gun violence that has plagued our nation for too long, leaving a wake of sorrow and grief that extends from generation to generation. I cannot overstate how yesterday's reckless and detrimental Supreme Court ruling that struck down a 100-year-old New York state law puts innocent Brooklynite lives at risk. What's more, there are no gun manufacturers in New York City, and yet despite removing thousands of guns from our streets, illegal guns are arriving by car, train, and bus every single day through the iron pipeline. That is why today's vote on the Safer Communities Act is an imperative. It addresses the issue of straw purchasing and the gun trafficking that is prevalent across New York City. Let me take this opportunity to thank and give honorable mention to Congresswoman Robin Kelly and Congresswoman Lucy McBath for their courageous and unwavering fight to stop the sea of gun violence in our nation. Mr. Speaker, we must pass common sense gun legislation, and I am proud to vote on S-2938. With that, I yield back.